Making money with online service is a simple way to earn passive income by sharing your opinions. Here's how you can get started. Sign up for survey websites. Join reputable survey platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, or Pinecone Research. These platforms reward you for completing surveys based on your interests and demographics. Complete surveys regularly. After signing up, fill out your profile to match with suitable surveys. Regularly check for new surveys to increase your earnings. Surveys may range from simple polls to more in-depth questionnaires. Earn points and cash. Most survey sites reward you with points, which can be converted into cash or gift cards. Some sites like Swagbucks also offer cashback for online shopping and other activities. Maximize earnings with multiple sites. Sign up for several survey sites to increase the number of available opportunities. Some sites also offer referral programs where you can earn bonuses for referring friends. Be honest and consistent. Your earnings will depend on your activity level and how honest you are in your answers. Consistency in taking surveys will lead to better rewards.